Good morning, everybody. So I'm out here with my dad, my sister, and my nephews today, and we're gonna be going crabbing. So we're in Delaware. That's where I have my fishing and crabbing license. And we've got our 15 ring traps. So these are just your basic ring traps you buy from Walmart. And I'll put a link to one of my other videos, but that explains how we've improved the ring traps. So we've basically been using these for about 4 years now with our improvements, and they've held up really, really well. It makes the traps much more durable and easy to use. So we are crabbing off a bridge today. You can hear some highway noise. That's just kind of par for the course with these public crabbing areas. You have to kind of go near a road. My nephews really like to fish, so my nephew's got his fishing equipment. So we're kind of right before the time when school starts. We're at the end of August, so this should theoretically be the best time to catch crabs. I'll let you know how we do and show you when we pull up some of the traps and things along the way. You've seen these style chairs for backpacking, camping. We love them for fishing. They go down to this little teeny tiny pouch, and we bring these every time we go fishing because they're super compact. Another really important thing I want to talk about is so many times when we go fishing, we see trash and fishing line and all kinds of things left behind. It's so easy to just bring a plastic grocery bag with you and make sure that you clean up your trash before you leave and take it with you. So the really fun thing about crabbing is you put your chicken neck in the basket, you set the basket in the water, and about every 10 minutes we pull the traps. Sometimes you'll have a teeny tiny crab that you've got to just drop back in and let it go, or maybe it climbs out the side of the basket. Other times you pull it up and there's nothing. It's really exciting, and sometimes you really can't tell how big the crab is till you pull it up to the top and you measure it. There's a measuring stick of the legal limit you're allowed to keep in Delaware. So because of the height of the bridge, it's a lot of fun for little kids to pull up the ring traps. You'll often see so many families come and doing crabbing as a family activity here in Delaware. All right, so it is a really hot and humid day out here, but we're really pulling up some beautiful crabs. We've had a couple that are jumbo size. It's been a lot of fun. We've had a few get away out of the traps. That's the unfortunate thing with these ring traps. The crabs can kind of climb up the side and escape certain times. So this was kind of my dad's idea, but he decided to take this PVC pipe, put our initials and some orange on it. So you can see my son and my two nephews are pulling up some crab traps. My son's been working a summer job, so he's been really tired. He slept in a little bit, and then my husband brought him by to join us for crabbing. All right, so we're starting to get a little bit of light rain here. It's one of those days where we kind of came out and we knew a storm was coming in the afternoon. It's about 9 o'clock now and pretty light sprinkle, so we're gonna try to stick it out because we are continuing to catch crabs, so we'll just see how it goes. So we were at the crabbing pier from about 6:30 in the morning to about 11 a.m. and we did really good. We ended up with 32 keeper crabs, so we were thrilled with that. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing some of these special summertime videos. Obviously, summer's coming to an end. It's going to be back to school for my kids, and we're going to be back in Pennsylvania. I'm going to have some state parks, a lot more Pennsylvania content, and we also have our upcoming trip to Crater Lake National Park, so lots of exciting stuff coming up on the channel.